without the soul for getting down, must stand and face the hounds of hell and rot inside a corpse's shell. The foulest stench is in the air, the funk of 40,000 years, and grisly goons from every tomb are closing to seal your doom. And though you fight to stay alive, your body starts to shiver, for no mortal can resist the evil of the foreigner.
First of all, I think we ought to give it up one more time for all our performers this afternoon. Another great show to start our Christmas vacation, I should say. Now here is the bad news. We have a half hour left. So, in the spirit of Christmas, I'm thinking that Caleb should probably stay in my office until 3 o'clock. And the rest of you can go home. For those of you that have to catch a bus, you can hang out in the hallway or go down into the gymnasium at the middle school.